Okay, let's continue now. The next thing you can do is, I've forgotten that I have selected the color, change it to white, uh, so that the eye become white color. Now we are going to create the mouth. Okay, create a mouth, drag a sphere, drag it down, and next we are going to cut it into half. To cut it into half, you use the whole object. The whole object, okay, now it's half. You can select both, then group to cut it. After you cut it, I would like to duplicate it. Duplicate this object and then turn this object to another 180 degree. Can tuck it in. Oops. Okay. Now you move this object on top of each other. For the bottom one, I would like to make it slightly smaller than the above one so that it looks like a mouth of a bird. Okay, just reduce a little bit, probably 5.78, whatever. Just a bit will do. Okay, little bit. Now you can combine, choose color, and then move this to 90 degree. Okay, now we are going to move this mouth up. Okay, if you look at the picture, actually the mouth is until the eyes area, so we need to follow it is too big, maybe you want to consider. Okay, I believe this is okay. Looks like a bird to me. Okay, if this is fine, the next one is to draw an eye, black color area. Change the black color first. Hold down Shift key. Okay, there's one problem with this is it's difficult to adjust if it's too small. So I would rather adjust it first to the right place before I further reduce the size. Check. Is it located in the correct place? No, it's not located in the correct place. So Control Z. Okay, let's try one more time. Bring it out a bit. Reduce the size. Check. Carefully bring it up. Okay, we know it's still very big. Adjust. Further reduce. Okay, this is already 0.1. 1 mm is 0.25. Okay, see if it is fine. So this will be the final adjustment. Is it too small? Yes, too small. Okay, can bring out a bit more. still very small. Okay, you can zoom in to select the ball easily. Okay, after that, zoom out, zoom in to adjust it. Okay, so this is done. You can Control D and then put here. And let's see, is it attached properly? Oh no, Control Z. I think this is attached properly. So, okay, eye is done. The next thing we are going to do is the eyebrow. To create eyebrow, we use this one. Okay, I think I prefer to use the side first. Adjust here, reduce down, reduce, further reduce. Okay, and change it to black color. You can further reduce this by bringing it down. Okay, let's see. Okay. Further. Bring up. Bring to the front. Wow, this is totally wrong. Probably I have to adjust here first. Then the other one, which is here. Okay, push back. Push back. Let's look at this angle. Okay, I think I have lost the. There should be a proper. Okay, let me redo this whole thing here. Okay, let me just put it down. Okay, after that, bring it here. Yes, Control Z. Okay, solid color change to black. This one change to front, about 90 degree. 90. Okay, then we bring it up, reduce the size, shift key, hold down shift key, then bring this up to the eyebrow level, bring it up. Okay, if it's not okay, too big, okay, just still a bit too big. Okay, still very big one. So I think I'll rather go like this. Okay, attach. duplicate. Okay, after duplicate, this one move down. Next thing you have to make sure is the eyebrow attached properly. Okay, I think eyebrow done. Just need to put it higher or lower. Okay, bring it down a bit. If bring it, okay. So does it look good? Just check one more time. Yes, it's attached. Okay. If the eyebrow has been attached properly, the next thing you can do is to look at the picture. Get two fur and then three more fur at the back. So these two are easier. Bring it down. Reduce the size. Release. Then bring it up. Okay, after that, bring this thing up. Okay, go up, up. Okay, put here. Here. Change this to red color. Then you can turn it. Okay. Duplicate, Ctrl D. After that, change this one. Does it look good? Okay, let's look at the head. Okay, if this is fine, then you can just continue with the tail. Okay, let's create the tail quickly. So to create the tail, we use back the same triangle. This time we reduce the size again. Okay, very thin tail. Okay, push it in. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, change to black color. Now bring it up. Bring down. Ctrl Z. Okay, push it in. Okay, check if you think this is okay. If this is fine, you can move up a bit. Okay, let's check again. Okay, check. So if this is fine, check one more. There are many ways of doing this. I'm just showing one sample. Okay, select black color. And then we move on, reduce this one. Okay, well, if this one you don't like this type, I think this one not so nice. Okay, I'd rather duplicate this. Go down. Okay, select this. Okay, now you can reduce the height. Okay, reduce this, increase this. Oh, okay. Yeah, try. I would say. Actually, I've tried a few times because of the previous recording. It was not properly recorded. So this is the number of time I've done on this tail already. I did, but one of the tail was quite okay, I would say. So that's it. Check again. Is this the Angry Bird that you want? Okay, if everything is properly attached, especially the eyebrow, we can actually start to print out using our new 3D printer. Okay, just to make sure it is properly attached. Press again. Just make sure it attached. That's it. Done. Okay, we'll do this during our lesson, CCA lesson.